In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in Udio. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in udio.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Udio. From here you'll be able to create the music via AI. So if you want to sign in to your account, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface. You'll be able to find various sign in methods like Google, Discord, X, Apple, etc. Also you'll be able to continue with email. Simply click on the sign in method that you had used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email. So if you also want to do that, click on the field of email and enter your email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. After you do that, click on this option, continue with email. Now after you do that, sign in link will be sent to you via email. So what you have to do is go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Udio has sent me the email. Simply click on that email. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the link to sign in to your account. Click on this option, sign in to Udio. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the new tab. Simply wait for the interface to load. Now you'll have to confirm your login. Simply click on this option, confirm, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you sign in Udio. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.